Let's face it, everyone dreams of being rich, but for most people, it feels like a distant fantasy. Maybe it seems too complicated, reserved for the lucky or the already wealthy. But here's the good news. Wealth isn't out of reach, and it's not as mysterious as you think. The truth is, getting rich isn't about stumbling onto a jackpot or being born into privilege. It's about following simple, actionable steps that anyone can take. Regardless of where they're starting from 2025 is your chance to turn your dreams into reality. With the right strategies and mindset, you can start building a path to lasting wealth. Let me show you how. Step 1. Start with a clear vision. Rich people don't stumble into their wealth, they plan for it. To begin your journey, you need to define what rich means to you. For some, it's financial independence. For others, it's having enough money to travel, invest, or retire early. Start by writing down specific goals. Instead of saying, I want to make more money, say, I want to save $20,000 by December 2025 to invest in stocks. This level of clarity turns a wish into a goal with a deadline. Once you've written down your goals, break them into actionable steps. If you want to save $20,000 in a year, that's about $1,667 a month. Knowing this gives you a target to aim for and keeps you motivated as you track your progress. Step 2, shift your mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. If you believe wealth is only for others, you'll never take the steps needed to achieve it. Start thinking of money as a tool, not just a number. Challenge limiting beliefs like, money is the root of all evil, or I'll never be able to save that much. Replace them with empowering thoughts like, money creates opportunities, and I have the ability to grow my wealth. The best way to build this mindset is by surrounding yourself with positive influences. Read books on financial success, listen to podcasts by self-made millionaires, and limit time spent with people who have a negative view of money. Step 3, build multiple streams of income. One of the fastest ways to accelerate wealth building is by diversifying your income. Relying on a single paycheck is risky, especially in uncertain times. Start by maximizing your current job. Can you ask for a raise, take on overtime, offer to lead a new project, then look at side hustles? Can you freelance, create digital products, or sell items online? The key is scalability. Focus on income streams that can grow without always needing more of your time. For example, investing in real estate or creating an online course might take effort up front, but can generate passive income for years to come. Step 4. Save strategically. Saving money isn't glamorous, but it's essential. If you're not saving, you're not building a safety net, or the funds to invest later. Start by automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account every payday. Even small amounts add up over time to supercharge your savings. Try creative challenges like the 52-week savings challenge or the no-spend month, where you only buy essentials for 30 days. These challenges not only save you money, but also build discipline and awareness around your spending habits. Step 5. Invest to grow your wealth. Saving is great, but investing is where wealth truly grows. Start with the basics, like index funds or ETFs, which offer low-cost diversification. Set a goal to invest a specific percentage of your income every month, no matter how small. Thanks to compound interest, even modest contributions grow significantly over time. For example, investing $200 a month in a fund that averages an 8% annual return could grow to over $100,000 in 20 years. For those looking for more advanced strategies, consider diversifying into real estate, peer-to-peer lending, or even cryptocurrency. Just make sure you fully understand the risks before diving in. Step 6. Develop high-income skills. If you want to increase your earning potential, focus on building skills that are in high demand. High-income skills like coding, sales, copywriting, or digital marketing can significantly boost your income. Use platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare to learn new skills in your spare time. Once you've mastered them, monetize your expertise by freelancing, consulting, or negotiating a higher salary at your job. Remember, the more valuable you are in the marketplace, the easier it becomes to command higher pay. Step 7. Build a strong network. The saying, "Your network is your net worth," exists for a reason. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, like-minded people opens doors you didn't even know existed. 2025. Commit to growing your network. Attend conferences, join online communities, or reach out to potential mentors. Networking isn't just about what others can do for you. It's about building relationships where both parties benefit. Be genuinely interested in others, offer value, and opportunities will naturally come your way. Step 8. Track and optimize your finances. You can't improve what you don't measure. Tracking your finances regularly helps you spot opportunities to save, invest, or cut back. Use tools like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to track your income, expenses, and net worth. Set aside time each month to review your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Tracking doesn't just keep you organized, it keeps you motivated. Seeing your savings grow or your debt shrink is a powerful reminder of why you're working toward wealth. Step 9. Embrace a frugal lifestyle. Living below your means is one of the simplest ways to fast-track your wealth-building journey. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, it means spending intentionally. For example, instead of dining out multiple times a week, learn to cook your favorite meals at home. Swap expensive hobbies for budget-friendly ones, like hiking or reading. The money you save from living frugally can be redirected into savings or investments, helping you build wealth faster. Step 10. Stay consistent. The most important step in this blueprint is consistency. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's the result of small, consistent actions over time. Set aside time each week to review your progress and make adjustments. Celebrate small wins, like saving your first $1,000 or landing a side hustle gig. Consistency isn't just about sticking to a budget, it's about staying committed to your vision, even when progress feels slow. Step 11. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is one thing, but keeping it is just as important. In 2025, make protecting your finances a priority by putting safeguards in place. Start with insurance. Health, life, and property insurance are essential to ensure that an unexpected event doesn't wipe out your hard-earned savings. Next, consider creating an emergency fund, if you haven't already, that can cover at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Start thinking about estate planning, even if you're just beginning your wealth journey. A simple will or trust can prevent unnecessary legal battles and ensure your assets go where you intend. Finally, stay informed about cybersecurity. With so much of our financial life online, securing your accounts with strong passwords and multi-factor authentication is a must. Protecting your wealth isn't just about avoiding losses. It's about creating peace of mind so you can focus on growing your future. Step 12. Give back. True wealth isn't just about what you accumulate, it's about what you contribute. In 2025, commit to giving back, whether it's through donations, volunteering, or supporting causes you care about. Giving not only helps others, but also creates a sense of fulfillment and abundance in your own life. It's a reminder that wealth has the power to make a positive impact. Plus, acts of generosity often inspire gratitude, which helps you focus on what truly matters. Start small. Donate to a local charity, mentor someone in need, or simply lend your time to a cause close to your heart. Over time, the joy of giving will become a natural part of your wealth-building journey. Getting rich in 2025 isn't about luck or shortcuts. It's about setting clear goals, adopting smart habits, and taking consistent action. This blueprint gives you everything you need to get started. Now it's up to you to take the first step, so what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the closer you'll be to achieving the financial freedom you deserve. Let's make 2025 your year of transformation.